Hello dear students, welcome to Karn Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to prove Theorem 4 from class 10 geometry, which is from the chapter of circle. Dear students, already we have proved Theorem 1, Theorem 2 and Theorem 3 in the previous videos. So if you have not watched, please watch it so that you can easily understand the proof of Theorem 4 also. Dear students, in this theorem, we have to prove that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So let's prove the Theorem 4. The statement of theorem 4 is the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So this is already I have drawn figure so that we can save the time, and I have proved the theorem also. So first we have to draw a circle with center O. Given at first we have to draw a circle with center O. Then we have to take a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means if all the vertices touches the surface of circle, then the quadrilateral is known as cyclic quadrilateral. So this is we have to prove the opposite angles. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We have proved that the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now we have to take construction. So we have to join OA and OC. Dear students, after joining OA and OC, we have got two angles at the center. One is angle AOC, which is obtuse angle, and another is the angle AOC, which is the reflex angle. Obtuse angle means the angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And reflex angle means the angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So dear students, after taking construction, that means after joining OA and OC, we have got two angles at the center of the circle. One is angle AOC, which is obtuse angle AOC, and it is standing on the arc ABC. And we have got the second angle AOC, which is reflex angle AOC, which is standing on the arc ADC. So dear students, we have got two angles at the center of the circle. One is the angle AOC, which is the reflex angle, and it is standing on the arc ADC. And the next angle at the center AOC is obtuse angle AOC, which is standing on the arc ABC. So dear students, in order to prove this theorem, we are going to use the statement of theorem 1, which we have already proved in the previous video. Dear students, according to theorem 1, the angle at the center of a circle is always twice than that of the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. So dear students, in the statement 1, we have taken obtuse angle AOC, we have taken obtuse angle AOC, obtuse central angle AOC, which is standing on the arc ABC. Now angle AOC we can write 2 times of angle ADC, because AOC and ADC both they are standing on the same arc ABC. So if central angle and surface angle they are standing on the same arc, then angle at the center is twice of the angle at the circumference. So dear students, obtuse angle AOC we can write 2 times of angle D. Obtuse angle AOC we can write 2 times of angle D. The reason is relation between central angle and surface angle standing on the same arc. Now similarly, we take reflex angle AOC. The reflex angle AOC is standing on the upper arc ADC, and the surface angle ABC is also standing on the upper arc ADC. So in this case also we can use the relation between angle at the center and surface angle. So dear students, when we take reflex angle AOC, then we can write reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 times of angle B. The reason is same as statement 1. That means angle at the center is twice of angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. Now dear students, by adding statement 1 and 2, we get 2 times of angle B plus D is equal to 360 degree. So if we add statement 1 and 2, 2 will be common, then we get B plus D. And the sum of AOC and the obtuse angle AOC and reflex angle AOC will get 360 degree. The sum of obtuse angle and the reflex angle AOC will be equal to 360, because we know that the angle made in one complete turn is 360 degree. So we can write the sum of reflex angle AOC and obtuse angle AOC 360 degree. So by adding statement 1 and 2, we get 2 times of angle B plus D is equal 360 degree. So the reason is adding statement 1 and 2. Dear students, angle B plus D, when 360 is divided by 2, then we get 180 degree. That means angle B plus D, we get 180 degree. That means we have got the proof of the theorem. The opposite angles of cyclic quad are supplementary. Similarly, we can prove the sum of the second pair of opposite angles supplementary. Dear students, after proving angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, we can write angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. The reason is same as above. That means we can prove by following the same step and we get the proof same as the above. So in this way we have got A plus C is equal to 180 degree and B plus D is equal to 180. That means we have proved that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So dear students, before we end this video, let's review once again the process we have followed to prove this theorem. Dear students, according to theorem 4, we have to prove that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Cyclic quadrilateral means the quadrilateral whose all the vertices, that means all the 4 vertices, lie in the circumference of the circle. So if all the vertices of a quadrilateral touches the circumference of the circle, then the quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. So dear students, according to the statement of this theorem, we have to prove that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means the sum of the opposite angles is 180 degree. So at first we have to draw a circle with center O, then we have to take a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. So dear students, this theorem we have proved by using theorem 1, which we have already proved in the previous video. Now in order to prove the opposite angles of cyclic quad are supplementary, we have used the relation between angle at the center and angle at the circumference of the circle. So dear students, the relation between angle at the center and angle at the circumference of circle is always double. That means angle at the center of a circle is always twice, or we can say double, than that of the angle at the circumference of the circle. So first we take angle AOC. So there are 2 angles at O. One is the obtuse angle AOC and the next one is reflex angle AOC. So at first we'll take obtuse angle and then the corresponding circumference angle. So dear students, obtuse angle AOC, OBT dot, that means obtuse angle AOC is equal to, we can write obtuse angle AOC, we can write 2 times of angle D. That means the central angle is twice of the circumference angle standing on the same arc, or simply we can write relation between central angle and circumference angle standing on the same arc. Similarly, after taking the obtuse angle AOC, we take the upper angle AOC, that means reflex angle AOC. So dear students, reflex angle AOC is standing on the arc ADC and the circumference angle ABC is also standing on the arc ADC. So again we can use the relation between central angle and circumference angle. So we can write reflex angle AOC. Reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 times of angle B, or we can write 2 times of angle ABC. The reason is same as statement number 1. That means angle at the center is double than that of the angle at the circumference. Dear students, now in statement number 3, we have got by adding the statement number 1 and 2. So if we add statement 1 and 2, we can take 2 common, then we get B plus D. Now the sum of obtuse angle and reflex angle will be 360 degree. The sum of obtuse angle AOC and the reflex angle AOC, we get 360 degree, because we know that angle made in one complete turn, or we can say the sum of angles at a point is always 360 degree. So dear students, the sum of the statement number 1 and 2, we get 360 degree, because obtuse angle AOC plus reflex angle AOC is 360 degree. So when 360 is divided by 2, we get 180 degree. That means we have easily got B plus D equals 180 degree. That means the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So after getting the sum of 2 angles B plus D, the sum of 2 opposite angles B plus D 180 degree, we can directly write angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means the sum of the second pair of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral will be also supplementary. So this is the way we have proved the theorem 4. So I hope you have understood the proof of the theorem. And dear students, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Karn Maths Academy, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you'll get the important questions and solutions of class 10 and the higher level as well. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and again we'll meet in the next video with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.